Welcome. In this video I will show you how to cast your Android smartphone screen to your XIAOMI F Pro TV. First of all, you're gonna have to make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So on your TV, go to the settings and select network and check which network has a connected status and make sure that it's the same network on your smartphone. Swipe down the control center on your smartphone and check if it's the same network. And also be aware that not all Android devices support screencasting with particular TV. So unfortunately this will not work for every device, but generally what we have to do on our TV is hold down the home button, and once the sidebar appears on the screen, select display mirroring, then select yes. Then on your smartphone, swipe down the quick settings menu and find cast option, which looks like this, sometimes a bit different, sometimes it looks like a rectangle with the Wi-Fi icon in the bottom left corner of it. I hope that you can imagine it by my description. If you don't see this tile, if you don't see this setting, have to tap on the either pencil icon or the plus icon, then add and another tile, locate this setting right here. Usually it's added from the beginning, but sometimes you're gonna have to do it manually. So let's find here it is, cast option, and as you can see it's already added to the screen. So let's tap on it, and if you open display mirroring on your TV, your smartphone will find your TV on the list. And once you select cast, you're gonna have to select which type of casting you need. So either the entire screen cast or a single app cast. So select one of these options, then select cast, and wait until your device is connected. And right now you can watch your phone screen on your TV. And if you want to disable it, either swipe down the control center and select the same option once again, or if you have some kind of shortcut, then you're gonna be able to do it with it. And so that's basically it. And yeah, one important notice: if for some reason your devices aren't, if your smartphone isn't able to cast its screen to the TV, also make sure that your TV is TV software and your iPhone and your smartphone software are up to date. So on your TV, you can go to the settings, select device and software, and then go to about, check for updates, and see if your TV is up to date. And then on your smartphone, also go to the about or system and updates and check if your phone is also up to date, and then try pairing them once again. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.